Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show how to install Kernel SU in your Poco F1. I am using MIUI Mind Edition V. It is based on Android 10. Okay, let's begin the video. First we have to download the necessary files. Here we are installing No Gravity Kernel. It supports Kernel SU in MIUI Android 10. And we need to download the latest Kernel SU APK file. After downloading the files, reboot to recovery mode. Here I am using Orange Fox Recovery. You can use the recovery of your choice. After rebooting into recovery mode, for safety purpose, back up your boot image to your internal storage. After backing up the boot image, go to the folder where you downloaded the files. Flash the No Gravity Kernel zip file. After flashing is done, click on Reboot System and wait until your device boots up. After your device boots up, install the Kernel SU APK file and open it. As you can see here, you can give super user permissions to your desired applications, and also you can install both Magisk and Kernel SU modules using that Kernel SU application. In case your device doesn't boot up, force reboot the device into recovery mode by pressing the volume up and power button simultaneously. After rebooting into recovery mode, restore the boot image file and reboot your system. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.